In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Shopify. We're walking through how to set up a buy X, get Y discount in Shopify from start to finish with a few practical tips along the way. Start by opening your Shopify admin and heading to the discounts area in the left menu. Click Create Discount, then choose the buy X, get Y option. This is perfect for promotions like buy 2, get 1 free or buy 1, get 50% off the second. At the top, decide whether you want customers to enter a code or have the discount apply automatically. You can generate a random code, type your own, or switch to an automatic discount so shoppers don't need to remember anything. If you create a code, keep it short and easy to understand. In the customer buy section, choose minimum quantity of items and enter the quantity that triggers the offer. Next, click the field that says any items from to decide if the requirement is based on specific products or entire collections. Click Browse, select the relevant products or collections, and then click Add. Make sure the products you choose are in stock and available on the online sales channel. Now set what customers get. Under At a discounted value, choose between a percentage off, an amount off, or completely free. Select the option that fits your promotion. Then click the Any Items From field again to define which products can be discounted. Click Browse, pick the product or collection you want to discount or make free, and click Add. If you're offering a free item, ensure that item isn't set to requires shipping with unusual rules that might complicate checkout. To control how many times the deal applies per order, click. Set a maximum number of uses per order and enter 1 if you only want the offer to apply once per checkout. In the eligibility section, choose whether all customers, specific segments, or specific customers can use it. To avoid stacking across orders, tick the option to limit to 1 use per customer. Open combinations and decide if this discount can be combined with other product, order, or shipping discounts. Then set your active dates. Turn on set and end date and choose when the promotion should stop. When everything looks right, click Save and then Submit to activate. If you change your mind while editing, you can use discard to cancel unsaved changes. Follow any highlighted prompts in the admin to review your new discount and return to the main discounts list. If you ever need to remove the promotion, select it from the list, click Delete Discounts, confirm with Delete, and then head back to home. That's it. Your Buy X, Get Y deal is ready to go.